Oh, what's wrong with this water? Oh, must be that filter. Alright, so it looks like this refrigerator needs a new filter. Luckily, it's something even I can do. Alright, so the nice thing about this refrigerator is that the filter, very easy to get to. Right here, very convenient. Just pull that down and reveal the filter. And then we're going to twist it. To the left and remove it. And it even tells you right up here very conveniently where it says lock and unlock. So I'll unlock to the left, and then when we put the new one, it'll be to the right. Alright, so we have our new replacement filter. It's a genuine Kenmore Clear. I have a link for this down below in the description, and it is an affiliate link, so if you use that, it helps out the channel. We do appreciate that. So let's get this thing opened up and we will install the new one. To determine the filter model that you need, first locate your refrigerator's model number inside the fridge. Then enter the model number into the search box at SearsPartsDirect.com. You can buy the filter there, or you can visit Amazon where the prices are often less. Alright, we're going to remove the blue cap and expose our filter directly, and we're ready to install. Alright, we take our new filter and insert it into the hole, push hard and turn to the right until it locks into place, and then close your filter door. And you are all set and ready to go. Okay, our new filter is in, and then our final step is to flush through about 2.5 gallons of water. This will flush out any impurities that are in the filter itself and get this system up and running. So they recommend 2.5 gallons. This is about a quart, so we're going to run through a number of these, or it's about 5 minutes if you want to do it by time. Okay, that's been about 5 minutes, so we're all done, and we're ready to drink some nice, fresh, purified water. The final step is to reset your filter. Press and hold the filter button for 3 seconds. All right, all done, all set. Nice, fresh, clear drinking water. I really enjoy that. So that's all we have for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, please subscribe, and until next time, this has been Steve for Things That Even I Can Do.